Hey, this is Stacey with Stacey Dawn Realty. Today we're doing an open house at 6117 Dunsmore Canyon, located in Country Colony, Porter, Texas. Let's check out this 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths with a small game room upstairs, primary's down. When you walk in, this house has a fresh, modern look. They just installed the new ceiling fans. You have a nice size living area. Lots of windows, which is really nice. One great thing about this floor plan is that you have an open kitchen with a breakfast bar. Don't get that a lot of times in this square footage. 3 large windows there. You're gonna go out here. Let's just go on out in the big backyard because it's really nice. Got a walkway out to the big backyard. Check out this. Normally don't get a yard this big at $254,000. That's what we're priced at. No neighbors behind. Big yard. Big enough for a swimming pool, soccer goal if you want to put back there. Okay, coming back inside. Right here you have a half bath, so if you're entertaining, people do not have to use your bathroom as the primary. Nice kitchen area, big enough for a big table. The refrigerator does stay, and the washer and dryer. You have a gas range, which is nice. Microwave. They did add hardware on the cabinets. Come on around. Your primary bedroom's right here. You just added the new modern ceiling fan. You have the bath. They also added the hardware right there on the cabinet. Shower tub combo, toilet, storage here, closet here, big closet. Let's come on back around. Another view of your bedroom. Another view of the kitchen, big backyard. Living area. Then we go upstairs. What's nice is you have the 3 bedrooms, the game room, and the utility room. So there's no carrying a lot of laundry up and down since the bedrooms are up here. Washer and dryer does stay. Nice size game room. Again, they just added another fan. Very modern looking. Got 3 windows here, which are nice. You have a bedroom here, another full bath here, another bedroom here. As you can see, she has a lot of furniture in here, nice size room. You have some storage right here. And then this is a really nice size bedroom here, large furniture, and a big walk-in closet. That's really nice. Give you another look. So if you're in the market, you're out in Porter looking for a house, this is about 3.7 miles away from shopping, movies, etc. Easy access to 59. This is for the sale for $254,000. Does include the washer, dryer, and refrigerator. Built in 2021, and it is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Thank you for visiting.